Okay, so we'll start with this. So let's call title X the revenue function. And we have the cost function. This is given. So that's 0.3x plus 24. And then we'll call the profit function x. Profit function is really just going to be revenue function. So, but now I need to figure this out. So this we don't know yet. So instead we're giving the demand. So if you have a demand equation, and if you are baking, for instance, X cookies, then the price of each cookies is given. And you can just multiply that by the number of cookies. So the revenue function is really just going to be the number of items, which is number of cookies in this case, multiplied by P of X, which is this function right here. So that's X times 15 minus 0.01. Distribute this, this is going to be 15x minus 0.01 x squared. Okay, so we'll just plug that in here, and then cost is given, so we'll subtract them. That over here. So px equal r minus, so that's 15x minus 1 squared, and then minus the cost function, which is this guy right here. And in parentheses, since it has two terms, 3x plus 24. Therefore, I can simplify this as 0.01 x squared, 15x minus 3x minus 24. Just distribute that minus sign there. So now, what I will do now is just go ahead and just simplify this further. So it's going to be 15x minus 0.3. That's negative. So this is positive 15.7x minus 20. That's profit. We want to find the number of cookies in order to maximize the profit. So in order to maximize, because this is a quadratic equation now, right? So in order to maximize the profit, so this function, see, a is negative, so this function is going to look like this when you graph it. So right here, right? So here, okay, so because the maximum value is going to be here, so we're just going to find vertex. So vertex is negative b over 2a, which is negative 14.7 divided by 2 times negative 0.01. Okay, and then if I just divide this two, so here I suggest that you use a calculator to not miss anything here. So 14.7 divided by 0.02, because 2 times 0.01 is 0.2, so that's 735. Okay, so this is going to be the number of cookies, because so this is h comma k, right? So h here is the x value, and x here is representing the number of cookies, and this k here is a maximum value. We know that we're going to have a maximum value at this particular h here, which is 735 in this case.